To connect your Phantom wallet to UniSwap, you can easily trade and manage tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Here's how to do it. Set up Phantom wallet. If you don't have Phantom wallet installed, download and install it as a browser extension or mobile app from phantom.app. Create a new wallet or import an existing one using your seed phrase or private key. Connect Phantom wallet to UniSwap. Visit UniSwap in your web browser. Click Connect wallet in the top right corner. Select Phantom wallet from the list of supported wallets. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to connect. Click Connect to approve the connection. Use UniSwap. Once connected, you can start swapping tokens or adding liquidity through UniSwap. Swap tokens. Navigate to the swap section. Select the token you want to trade from the first drop-down, then select the token you wish to receive. Enter the amount you want to swap, review the details, and confirm the transaction in Phantom wallet. Provide liquidity. To earn rewards, you can also provide liquidity by adding tokens to UniSwap pools. Navigate to the pool section, deposit tokens, and earn LP tokens. Manage your transactions. Manage and track your swaps and liquidity directly from your Phantom wallet interface.